Have you ever wondered what makes you, what facilitates your every thought, every movement, every feeling? It all comes down to a 3-pound mass of jelly-like substance we call the human brain. But how exactly does it work? Let's delve into the intricate world of the human brain and unravel its mysteries. Imagine the brain as a city, bustling with activity. Each district, each neighborhood has its own unique role to play. Up first, we have the brainstem, the oldest part of the brain in terms of evolution. This foundational structure is divided into 3 main parts: the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla. The midbrain, teeming with different neuron clusters and neural pathways, is a hub for various functions, from hearing and movement to calculating responses and environmental changes. It's also home to the substantia nigra, an area rich in dopamine neurons and part of the basal ganglia, which enables movement and coordination. Next, we cross the bridge to the pons. True to its Latin name meaning bridge, the pons connects the midbrain and the medulla. It's the origin for 4 of the 12 cranial nerves, facilitating activities such as tear production, chewing, blinking, focusing vision, balance, hearing, and facial expression. At the bottom of the brainstem we find the medulla, where the brain meets the spinal cord. Essential to survival, the medulla regulates many bodily activities, including heart rhythm, breathing, blood flow, and oxygen and carbon dioxide levels. Now let's move to the back of the head, below the temporal and occipital lobes, and above the brainstem. Here lies the cerebellum, the little brain. Although small in size, the cerebellum plays a significant role in coordinating voluntary muscle movements and maintaining posture, balance, and equilibrium. Recent studies also suggest its involvement in thought, emotions, and social behavior. To sum it up, the brain is a complex and intricate organ composed of different parts, each with distinct roles and functions. The brainstem, including the midbrain, pons, and medulla, is fundamental to our survival, regulating essential bodily functions. The cerebellum, on the other hand, coordinates movement and could play a role in our thoughts and emotions. Understanding the brain is like trying to map out a vast, unexplored city. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding ourselves. After all, we are, in essence, our brains. As we unravel the mysteries of the brain, we're not just learning about an organ, we're learning about who we are.